Beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Right, I want to talk about the head of house challenge that has taken place. Obviously the top four was Didi, Ashay, as well as Q and Melly, right? So guys, we enjoying the games, and Didi went out, of which I was sad because I was so looking forward to the first female being the head of house in this season. And we know in a lot of seasons we never get females being the head of house. I don't know, man. They participate well when it comes to winning money, uh, tasks and whatever. But this head of house, it seems like they're not getting it. I don't know why, right? Then after Q, Melly, as well as Ashay, they went on to the finals. And guess what? Ashay won. Yay! And Liama was hyping Ashay. But the cameraman is so naughty because the cameraman kept on going to Liema, like trying to see Liema's reaction, right? Which is she was hyping Ashay. And the cameraman kept on going to Liema when Ashay had to now choose a person that he's gonna share the HOH house with, as well as he was supposed to nominate a person that he wants to be immune for this week's eviction. And he obviously was struggling to nominate, but finally Big Brother was like, hey, time. And Ashay finally selected Bravo. And okay, we were expecting that as well, but decided to save the Dawn from eviction this week. And you could see Liema was not liking it. Liema was so not happy and having it. I think Liema, she was of the opinion that she was going to be selected. Though after that, she's trying to say that based on King Wanda's dream. If you remember yesterday, King Wanda said he had a dream whereby he dreamt Ashay nominating him, and Ramona finally leaving, and that was immediately after him being the head of house. And finally, Ashay, the Big Brother was like, okay, who do you nominate? Because Ramona nominated King Wanda, so her vote does not count anymore. Ashay was like, no, I'm continuing. I'm nominating King Wanda, right? And King Wanda was then pew, evicted. Though King Wanda did specify that his dreams are like, sometimes they're not straight to the point, but they mean something. Like it can be, you know. And this dream was right because people were hoping that Ashay will save King Wanda, but Ashay did not save King Wanda, saved the Dawn. But now he said, I think King Wanda is safe because of he has more supporters than the Dawn. That's what King Wanda said in the dream. He said, Ashay said that there's no need to save King Wanda because I think King Wanda is safe. Guys, it's King Wanda going home. You know what? Sometimes dreams, they happen so that you can do something about the situation and save. So guys, this week, because my guy Ashay is safe and I'm so happy, so this week it's King Wanda. I'm voting King Wanda, guys. Vote. Big Brother Mzansi, vote King Wanda. But anyways, I don't know who you're gonna vote for. You are free to vote for whoever you want, but please let me know what you think in the comment section about this whole nominations. How are they gonna go? Who do you think is actually going home? Or you want to wait for the nominations before you can say who do you think is going home? But anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share my videos. Love you to the moon and back. Mwah.